Yeah, boy.
Go down and see about this.
You should probably do it.
I'll let you tell me about my sales call, man. I got 3 of them before the damn office is even open.
Do you remember that race you mentioned? Probably. We're already 2 months behind